So how would it be eating burgers all day? Well, we're about to find out, aren't we? We're going to start off with a Sausage Jack McMuffin from McDiddle's. I'm going to eat these little cheese pieces. We don't want to go to waste. And for lunch, I went to Habit Burger and Grill. And oh, what a habit and oh, what a joy they were. Quite a delight. And end the night with In-N-Out, of course. You guessed it. Yep, there was hardly a line right here. It was a beautiful day. Got a little lemon up with lemonade and 7-Up mixed together. How wonderful. And eat a fry on the way home because we're just very impatient. And yes, I got 3 burgers. Do not judge me, and that was really dumb because I only needed 2.5 of them. Alright, conclusion is I will never do this again.